Hi viewers, here we are with a new video about AX4200 Dual Band Wi-Fi 6 AI Mesh Router, the future of wireless networking. As we enter the age of the Internet of Things and smart homes, having a reliable and fast wireless network is more important than ever before. With the AX4200 Dual Band Wi-Fi 6 AI Mesh Router, you can take your home network to the next level. In this video, we will explore the benefits of this router and how it can enhance your internet experience. AX4200 Dual Band Wi-Fi 6 AI Mesh Router supporting free network security with AI Protection Pro, safe browsing, instant guard and VPN features, parental controls, easy setup, wall mount. Wi-Fi for smart homes, ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 router delivering up to 4200 Mbps speed, with a powerful quad-core CPU for better efficiency to handle more devices. Aesthetic and functional design, an innovative footstand for both desktops and wall mount, and the ultra-minimalist design can fit into your home or business environments. One-tap safe browsing, block undesirable content with ACES Safe Browsing, and protect your kids online by filtering explicit content from search results. Commercial-grade security anywhere, protect your home network with AI Protection Pro, powered by Trend Micro trademark. And when away from home, ACES Instant Guard gives you a one-click shareable secure VPN. Easy extendable network, enjoy seamless roaming with rich, advanced features by adding any AMIsh-compatible router. Mastering your smart home. Experience fast and reliable Wi-Fi all around your smart home with the AX4200 Wi-Fi 6 router. It is fully backward compatible with previous Wi-Fi standards and devices, so you can stay connected worry-free for all your internet activities. Designed to fit your style whether it's a home or a cafe, on a desk or on a wall. All can enjoy the ultra-minimalist design of the AX4200 as it optimally blends with a wide variety of home interiors and business environments. The innovative footstand can also serve as a wall mount bracket for hassle-free installation. Powerful Wi-Fi 6 performance. Enjoy unrivaled wireless performance across your smart home with the AX4200 Dual Band Router. The powerful quad-core CPU and the Wi-Fi 6 technology give it up to 4x more capacity for more devices. With support for 160 MHz channel bandwidth, it delivers 3x faster speeds and more reliable connectivity for all your high-bandwidth activities. The improved data transmission efficiency also reduces power consumption by up to 7x for better battery life of your devices. Easy setup and management. The AX4200 takes the pain out of managing your home network. It's easy to set up and keep an eye on what's happening, via the intuitive ACES Router mobile app or the powerful web interface. There's even more for you to explore, including complete VPN settings, parental control features, visualized connection diagnostics and much more. Easily extend your Wi-Fi network. With ACES AI Mesh technology, it's easy to combine multiple AMIsh-compatible ACES routers to create a whole home Wi-Fi network with centralized control. You can even use a single SSID for your entire home or office network, with seamless coverage and dead zone elimination. Subscription-free network security. Complete home Wi-Fi security. The ACES AX4200 features AI Protection Pro, powered by Trend Micro, with automatically updated protection from internet threats for all your connected devices and personal data. One-tap safe browsing. Tired of intrusive ads or inappropriate content on the internet? ACES Safe Browsing helps block undesirable content in one tap, no extra apps required. You can simply assign a security filter to your devices and block malicious content, advertisements, or even explicit content from search engine results to protect your kids online. Free parental controls. Gain insight into your kids' online activity and customize settings for different age groups with the AX4200 robust parental controls, with no subscription fee. You can also flexibly schedule internet access with one click, or grant extra online time for your kids to reward their good behavior. Make free Wi-Fi secure anywhere. When you are away from home, the Asus Instant Guard mobile app gives you one-click secure internet access via your router *, thanks to its encrypted VPN tunneling technology. It can even let you easily share this private network connection with your family and friends through a URL link. VPN your way. VPN for home. Enjoy secure VPN connections to your favorite streaming services or games with the AX4200. Through both the Asus Router app and the web interface, you can easily manage your VPN connections, including OpenVPN and WireGuard, to meet more of your VPN scenarios. You can also run both a VPN and an ordinary internet connection simultaneously with VPN Fusion, without interfering with the browsing experience of other users. VPN for work. For remote workers, the built-in VPN features of the Asus RT AX4200 provide quick and encrypted connections to corporate networks, without needing to install VPN software on each device. Versatile connectivity. In addition to Gigabit WAN and LAN ports, the RT AX4200 also comes with 2 USB ports for home media servers, easier file sharing, printer sharing, and NAS storage. As a bonus, the RT AX4200 can provide backup network access when your internet services are inaccessible. You can set the USB port as a backup one by connecting it to a 4G/5G USB modem, or use your Android phone as a mobile hotspot. Thank you for watching the video. Will be right back with new video.